Hi everyone, myself Bilas Kole. I welcome you all in my YouTube channel Bilas Kole underscore Zulozde. Today we will discuss the topic disorder of thyroid gland. I request you please first go through the I button in the right side of the corner. You may find one video which is appropriate for knowing about the thyroid gland. Now, today we will discuss the disorder of thyroid gland. Hypothyroidism and hyperthyroidism. Now, we will observe what are the ways which lead to hypothyroidism. Actually, the decreased secretion of thyroxine from thyroid gland, it leads to the hypothyroidism. It may be due to the following reasons: decreased TSH stimulation, hyperactivity of acinar cell of thyroid gland, decreased iodine intake in the diet. Now, in different type of hypothyroidism, first we will discuss creatinism. Actually, it is a disease in infants called creatine. It is categorized by decreased BMR, which is less than 50% normal, stunted growth, retarded mental development, so it leads to low IQ. In this disorder, the puberty is delayed. It decreased body temperature, heart rate, pulse rate, blood pressure, and cardiac output. It reduced urine output, decreased sugar level of blood. We may observe dry skin, lethargy, constipation. We may observe pigeon chest, in which chest bulging towards the sternal region. Cretinism can be congenital, that means due to the absence of thyroid due to genetic defect, or endemic, absence of iodine in diet. It can be corrected by thyroxine administration. Now, we will discuss myxedemia. Actually, it occurs due to deficiency of thyroxine in adults. Like creatinism, it also a low BMR, low body temperature, reduced heart rate, pulse rate, blood pressure, and cardiac output, low sugar and iodine level in blood. But the peculiar feature of myxedema is that face and hands became swollen due to deposition of albuminous myxedematous tissue. In female, it also causes irregular menstrual cycle. Now, we will discuss the simple goiter. It can be named by endemic goiter or colloid goiter. It occurs due to deficiency of iodine in drinking water. It is non-genetic. It is characterized by enlargement of thyroid gland. You may observe in this picture. Due to increase in number and size of acinar cells of thyroid gland, it is more common in people of hilly region. To prevent goiter, the table salt is being iodized nowadays. Now, we will discuss Hashimoto's disease. It is also called autoimmunothyroiditis and occurs due to age factor or injury to thyroid gland causing hyposecretion of thyroxine. When thyroxine secretion falls up to minimal limit, the antibodies are formed which destroy the thyroid gland. Now we will discuss the hyperthyroidism. It occurs due to the cancer of thyroid gland and is characterized by increased secretion of thyroxine and cause exophthalmic goiter. Main symptoms of this disorder are enlargement of thyroid gland, which is 2 to 3 times more than normal size. It is increased BMR, double than the normal rate, increased heart rate, pulse rate and cardiac output, increased body temperature, reduced body weight due to rapid oxidation of even stored food. Osteoporosis is due to loss of calcium and phosphorus from bones. Peculiar symptoms is a peculiar edema behind the eye, so causing bulging eyeball. You may observe in this picture, bulging eyeball with stern look and less blinking. It can be corrected by removing a part of the thyroid gland. In this video, we have discussed the hypothyroidism and hyperthyroidism. Thank you everyone. Please like, share, comments and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. I am Bilas Kole and you are watching my YouTube channel Bilas Kole _Zulus. Thank you all.